you can talk.
I can narrate this?
Yeah.
I'm cranking the Wright outboard motor circa 1915. This is the Skeg model, not the Skegless, but it is astoundingly complete and original. And in order to steer the boat, you crank this handle up here, and the lower unit turned clockwise or counterclockwise accordingly. And you could go nearly straight reverse, not quite though. And there, that's as far as it'll go.
In reverse?
In one direction. Yes, it won't go straight reverse, so it doesn't go quite around, but nearly so.
Yeah.
You go sideways.
This is just a practice one, so I'm going to see, can I hit the close-up while it's taking a picture?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah.
No. That's the answer.
Okay. And even this tank even has the original Wright name on the side, which is just remarkable. And it shows up in a piece of Xerox literature I have, the same as this tank. So I believe it to be original. Yeah, I'm still cranking. I have some question about the priming cup, whether or not that's original.
Where's the priming cup? Oh.
Right here. It may or may not be. It's old. It looks good, so I'm going to leave it. There's the gears doing their geary thing. It's got a nice brass flywheel. It's the only one I know of. I've never seen another like that. The knob on the flywheel is a modern replacement. I'm getting tired of cranking. I've stopped cranking.